Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Lee, and I'm here to make sure you can become an Excel pro in no time. In today's tutorial, we will be looking at 3 different ways of calculating the percentage increase of any number using Excel. All of them are correct and result in the same outcome. For example, let's say we need to increase 3 values in column B by 10%, and the result should appear in column C. To do this, we can click on cell C3 and enter the formula $B3 multiplied by 1.1. This will increase the value of B3 by 10%. If you need to increase the value by 20%, simply multiply B3 by 1.2. The second way is to click on cell C4 and enter the formula B4 multiplied by 110%. This will increase the value by 10%. To increase it by 30%, you will need to multiply it by 130%. The third way is to select cell C5 and type in the formula B5 plus B5 multiplied by 0.1. This formula will add 10% of the value to the value itself. Let us know which of these methods you like the best in the comments before you go. We'd love to hear your opinion. If you found this tutorial helpful, why not give us a like and subscribe to Sheet Leveler? Our online community is always growing and we'd be delighted to have you join us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.